Today we're behind the wheel of this extremely quality 1968 Mustang Coupe. Now this car is just a cream puff.
It really is, Big D. Goes down the road awesome. 80,686 original miles.
It's got the overhead console, like you said, clock works.
Map lights both work. Factory Philco AM radio works perfect.
And just the options too with the full and overhead console.
Yeah, cold air conditioning. Wipers work, heater works, oil pressure gauge, speedometer, gas gauge, temp gauge, clock, horn, everything works on it. Looks like it has a manual choke here as well. It's got the, not only does it have the overhead wood grain console and the wood grain all through here, it's got it in the door panels as well. It's got the park light, fuel light, open door light, still works.
That's crazy.
Seat belt light.
This thing's neat as hell in the exterior color, which we'll get to when we get it back and go around it. Exterior color is gorgeous and original on this car too. It's that really light blue that the whole first time I was here I thought it was white, and then in pictures it looks blue, and in the right light it looks,
I think Shay called it glacier blue.
Yep, that's what it's called.
Turn signals in the hood both work. It goes down the road great, doesn't it? 70 mile an hour, just like that. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this around just a little quicker. That way those guys don't have to stand out so long here. Here's our brakes. Perfectly straight. Steering's nice and straight. It's got the original style wheels and hubcaps on it. A guy can change it and put some different wheels on if you'd like, but this one was so damn original inside. I mean, I'm guessing it's 100% original interior.
Yeah, really nice.
Yeah, it's an excellent car. Remote mirror as well. Very, very highly optioned little Mustang.
Yeah, it is. Excited to check it out.
Tranny shifts very nice and smooth. Speedometer goes up nice. They're shifting into third at 60.
Nice little Mustang.
How nice it goes down the road. Pretty sure it's got disc on the front because it stops nice and straight. And for you guys running the air, Dalt, I don't know if you know this, but it's got a switch down here on the air compressor. Right down here, right by the, flip that up, and then it'll turn the compressor on.
Nice. This car is an absolute time capsule. Original colors, beautiful color at that, and one you don't see very often. It really looks white. 90% of the time you're seeing it, and then like right now it looks like that beautiful pale blue.
Yeah, this one's an 80,000 original mile car, and a 68 is just a great looking car from bumper to bumper. 67 and 8s are my favorite Mustangs for sure. That's in a fastback convertible and the coupe. They all look good. It's got the deluxe hood. The hood signals work perfectly. It's got ice cold air conditioning, power steering. Does it got disc brakes on the front knee? I think it does.
I think so. It's really hard to tell with the
caps.
Yeah.
Yeah, really nice Mustang. Very nice under the hood. As far as the gaps go, backside of the hood meets the top of the fender. Front edge is nice. A lot of originality on the inside as we get to that. I think most of that's all original. It's had one repaint on it, and when they did it, they did a great job and went back to the original color. Front bumper is good, grill's all nice. I like the black vinyl top as well. I was kind of torn on this one, whether I wanted to go ahead and put some wheels on it or not. It sits so nice with these Michelins on there.
And being the, original 80,000 mile car that it is, I like the little.
I'm guessing the drum brakes the way they look, D. Bottom of the front fender, bottom of the door in great shape. Matches really nicely back here as well. Yeah, the back of the door is awesome, huh? When you get a low mileage car like this, it's just so easy to tell when you start looking at all the gaps and just the way things line up.
Look at that. That's original paint.
Yeah.
And you can kind of see the primer where it's got
Wore through. Yeah, look at the corners of the doors. Yeah, they never repainted the jambs. So the door jambs are 100% original, and it still looks great all these years later. The seats are original. Carpet's still the original 80,000 mile carpet. Does have the Mustang floor mats, got the full console and the overhead console, which is great as well. It's got all the lights as far as your park, fuel, door, belts. In the drive video, we kind of went through everything worked on, including the original AM radio. The console light works back here as well. The map lights work, horn works. And how about this deluxe interior? I love the wood grain on it, on the dash and door panels.
I do as well.
So it does have the luggage rack. Corners of the trunk line up beautiful. Trim in the back is all nice. Black vinyl top is great. There's no bubbles or blisters there. And check out the back package tray. And this one even has a rear defrost, Dalton, 1968 rear defrost.
Don't see that very often.
No. If you look up and down the body on the driver's side, laser straight, panels line up great. Do you see much for chips or anything, D?
I don't. There's maybe a little.
It's a little tiny little scratch right here. Anything else?
Scratch on there as well.
Yep, one little at the bottom of the door. It does have one seam split in the original seat, or two actually, one right here, and then one right there. The stitching's just come loose a little bit. But to me, it gives it a little character. You know, again, paint's all original in the jambs. There's our data tag code there. Corner of the door.
What a neat little Mustang. It's really cool to see one in this condition too, pretty much just unmolested car. Check it out on the site, coyoteclassics.com. I'll put a link down in the comments section of the video if you're watching on YouTube. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.